Do I need to thaw my ham before cooking it?
Hello and welcome to our culinary guide. Today we're tackling a common question many home cooks and budding chefs ask: do I need to thaw my ham before cooking it? Let's dive in.
Understanding different types of ham.
To answer this question accurately, we first need to know what type of ham you're planning to cook. Hams come in different types: fresh, cured and smoked, which can each have unique preparations. Fresh ham is raw pork from the leg of a pig. It needs to be fully cooked before it can be safely consumed. Cured ham has been preserved through a process of salting, smoking, or wet curing. It can be sold both cooked or uncooked. Cured and smoked ham, as the name suggests, undergoes both processes, providing a distinct flavor and preservation.
Fresh ham. To thaw or not to thaw?
If you have a fresh ham, it's generally recommended to thaw the ham before cooking it. Doing so helps it cook more evenly. However, if you're in a hurry, you can indeed cook it from frozen. Just bear in mind that it will likely take 50% longer to cook than a thawed ham.
Cured ham and cured and smoked ham. Thawing is preferable.
When it comes to cured and smoked hams, thawing is usually preferable. That's because these types of ham are typically already cooked and just need to be reheated. Thawing ensures even heating and prevents the outside from becoming overly dry or cooked while the inside is still cold.
How to thaw your ham safely?
The best way to thaw your ham is in the refrigerator. Place the frozen ham in the fridge 24 to 48 hours before you plan to cook it. Make sure to place it in a dish or on a tray to catch any liquid that might be released as it thaws. Note: do not thaw ham, or any other meat, at room temperature as it can encourage the growth of harmful bacteria. And there you have it. The answer to the question, do I need to thaw my ham before cooking it, is, it depends on the type of ham and your cooking timeline, but generally, yes, thawing is recommended. Happy cooking, and we hope this guide has been helpful in making your ham cooking experience a delicious one.